Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the air filter in a Jeep Wrangler JL. First, gather your tools. You'll need a T25 Torx bit and your new air filter. Make sure your Jeep is parked on a level surface with the engine off. Then, open the hood and find the air filter housing, which is typically on the passenger side of the engine bay. This simple maintenance can improve your engine's performance. Now, let's get that old filter out. Use your T25 Torx bit to unscrew the 6 screws holding the airbox lid in place. Once all screws are loose, gently lift the lid to reveal the air filter inside. Take a moment to observe how the old filter is seated, then carefully pull it out. You'll likely see how much dirt and debris it has collected. Before installing the new filter, take a moment to wipe out any leaves or debris from inside the airbox housing. This ensures a clean seal. Now, carefully place your new air filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and snug. Once the new filter is in, align the airbox lid and retighten all 6 T25 Torx screws. Don't over-tighten them, just make them secure. With the new filter installed, do a quick double check to ensure all connections are secure and the airbox lid is properly sealed. Close your hood and you're all set. Start your Jeep to confirm everything is running smoothly. This simple task helps maintain engine efficiency and longevity. Also, for a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.